Hi friends, welcome to Kalpana's Kitchen. Today I'll be sharing Jwari cookies with you. They are a healthy snack item. Now let's see the ingredients required for this Jwari biscuits or cookies as you may call them. I've taken 1 cup of Jwari flour. To that I will add 1 cup of freshly grated coconut. If you do not have coconut at home, you can use desiccated coconut. Here I have used baking powder. I'll be giving you the ingredients and the measurements in the description box below. So just follow the recipe. Now here I am giving it a good mix. Now today I'll be using coconut oil. This is homemade coconut oil. So my vegan friends can enjoy these cookies too. I've taken 2 to 3 tablespoons of this coconut oil as I've used coconut in my cookies. We all know that jowar is gluten free and it has a good amount of fiber. So I've selected jowar cookies for you this time. It is a rich source of protein. So it's good for your kids. Now instead of sugar, I'll be using jaggery here. You have to take half a cup of jaggery. I had made a mistake of melting the jaggery in my microwave, but please do not do that. Please either use grated jaggery or you get this jaggery powder in the market. And yes, for the flavor I've used vanilla essence. If you do not have vanilla essence at home, you can replace it with cardamom powder. Try and use the ingredients that are available in your home. Now here I'm again giving it a good mix. These jowari biscuits come out really yummy, and yes, everyone enjoyed them in my house. I had shared jowari bhakri with you last week, and I switched to jowari from my wheat rotis, and I'm finding the difference. Here I've added a pinch of salt, just a pinch. Now I'm using my fingers to get the mix together. How you have noticed that I have not added any water. But if required, you can add a tablespoon of water to get you getting the dough together. But I didn't require any as I had used a fresh coconut, grated coconut. Fine. So now I'll just mix everything together, and I will try and make small portions from this mix to cook my biscuits. Here you can see I'm getting them together. I will be baking my cookies in the oven, but those who don't use an oven can use your pressure cooker. I will just share how to do that, cooking your cookies in the pressure cooker. Now here you can see I'm trying to get the dough together. I have not used any water while mixing this. As I have fresh coconut in this mix, I didn't require. But in case you will require little moisture, you can add 1 or 2 tablespoons of water. Now here I am shaping the cookies. I have just kept them simple as it is just for my home use. You can try out different shapes and designs with it. I've lined the tray with oil, and I'll be baking these cookies, and I will also show you how I'm using my pressure cooker to bake these cookies. They turn out really yummy, chewy and crisp, and I'm sure you're going to all love these cookies. And they're definitely better than what you get in the shops. So you can see I have taken that cooker container, and in my pressure here I have kept my cookies in the oven. I'll bake them at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Wow, they are ready. They are ready. Yummy. Just yummy. And now I will show you how the cookies look. Yum, 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 yum. You can't stop eating them. And you can see the cracks. Oh, here you can see the pressure cooker. I've used salt in place of water, and I won't be using any rubber ring or gasket as they call it, or neither will I use a pressure cooker whistle. And these are pressure cooker cookies, and these are my regular oven cookies. Friends, do give them a try. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.